This looks absolutely amazing. I ended up getting the beige color and I'm really happy with this. As I was assembling this bed frame, it was really easy to put together. Directions were very easy to follow and I could just tell I was working with quality parts. Now let's take a look at some of the finer details of this so we could get a closer look. So on the side, this is also going to feature a nail head trim design going all the way down. Really nice. This is actually going to be a velvet material, very soft to the touch. I love headboards that are really soft because you can kind of just lay up on them and they're really comfortable at night if you're reading a book, watching TV, or anything like that. One of the things that's going to be featured on this, guys, is we have a USB and a Type-C port on the top. So 2 USBs, 1 Type-C, and you also get a ton of room on the top. You get almost 5 inches of room where you can actually put your phone, an alarm clock, a charging station, and it just makes it really practical. My favorite feature is this actually has an LED strip going all the way on the back. Now let me show you what this thing is all about. We get a very nice remote that's going to have a ton of different options on here. We have a music mode, we have timers, we can change all the different colors, speeds, again, different modes, brightness, dimness, and an auto function. So all you got to do is turn it on and you can see we have a green color. You can change this all the way. There's so many different colors you can change from. There's a bunch of different shades that you can choose from as well. That's actually really nice. You can put this on a flashing mode. All in all, that's really cool. They do have a button on here if you just want to keep it simple for white. I think that's really cool. It provides a nice accent in the back. Another thing I love about this bed frame is we're going to have a lot of storage underneath. So there's going to be no sideboard right here. We get a ton of support all the way throughout. As you can see underneath, we have wood slats, so the bed doesn't sag or anything like that. And that's one thing that's super important to me, is having the bed be nice and sturdy all the way throughout. This is going to be the king size model, and this holds up to 880 pounds, which is going to be really nice, and it's going to feel very secure and sturdy. Overall, it's just a really nice bed frame. I'm really happy with it. I'm going to drop a clip right here of what this looks like before I put the bed on it so you can see the support frame and everything like that. But again, very easy to set up. It looks amazing. I love the beige. It really just goes with the look of my room with the natural wood and everything like that. And you do get the velvet on the bottom of the front of that board as well. No drawers on there, but it looks really nice. Black legs, really clean, really modern, simple look, but absolutely amazing. I give this a 10 out of 10, and that is my honest review of this velvet bed frame.